Sir,
ఓకే. ఈ సిఎన్ఎస్ క్లాస్ ఏం జరుగుతుందమ్మా? లక్ష్మణ్ సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు మీకు? ల్యాబ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చెప్తున్నారా? హలో. రివిజన్స్. ఓకే. ఏ యూనిట్ రివిజన్ చేస్తున్నారు సారు? విచ్ యూనిట్? యూనిట్ 1 యూనిట్ 2 ఏది చేస్తున్నారు రివిజన్ సార్? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ ఎనీవన్. యూనిట్ 2. ఓకే. So I will go with the unit 1 to revision record of this. మనకి ఫస్ట్ మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి సో I will start with the unit 1. I have some PDF file. So I think you may got any material from Prasad sir or Lakshman sir. You can go ahead and I will give some little bit headings along with the definitions which I have presently now. So unit 1 is introduction. You know what is the unit 1? Do you have an idea about the syllabus of unit 1? Unit 1, what is that? Unit 1. So only a small syllabus, that is, let me open. So security goals and cryptographic attacks and services and mechanism and mathematics of cryptography. So this is the 4 topics in the unit 1. So that is, we can call these all basic principles. Basic principles. So security goals, cryptography attacks, and services and mechanisms, and mathematics of cryptography. So these are the things we are going to be discussed. Okay. And we come to know that. So the first one is about what is the computer security. So we know that what is the meaning called security? Why we need to provide a security? So in what terms the security is needed? Where the security is needed? How come we know that in a particular place the security is needed? So everything we can come to know that we can conclude where the lot of places we need a security. So that is generic name for collection of tools designed to protect the data and to throw out the hackers. So why this simple meaning? We already discussed that when we know that the data is lost, the data is missing, the data is modified, when we know to identify that one, then something has happened wrongly, then only we are identifying. So for that we are starting itself, we are taking a basic initialized step to avoid such type of hackers or in order to protect a data. So why we want to give a chance to others to theft our data? So as meaning of with that we said that if your system is connect to the internet, your data is open to all. Whatever it inside your computer, the data is open to all. So who has the capacity, they can theft your data. So for that, so why we are giving a chance to theft our data? For that, what you are. So for example, if college is there, why we are placing a security? For example, our all 95 students are very good students. So they are not going to be escape any classes. They are not going. They are always sitting in the class, always doing. So even if the things is going correctly, so in other manner, we need to provide a security to hold at the gate. So same way, why we want to give a chance to others to enter into our network, or others who want to modify the data, others want to steal the data. If such things are going to happen, so for such places we need to provide a security. So this is a computer security name is generic collection of tools designed to protect the data. So from that hackers. So what is the network security? So computer security, we are going to be install, design, collection of tools, something we are going to do. And what is the network security? So measured to protect during the transmission of data. So if the data is there, somebody wants to enter into our system and they are going to be take the data, that is a computer security. The network security, when we are transferring our computer data to another computer, so that is transferring in between during the transmission. So simply means robbery at bank, robbery on the road, like that. Same thing. So while the money is transferring from one bank to another bank, that time we are going to be get a robbery. So there is a measure to protect the data during the transmission. This area covers the use of cryptographic algorithms in these network protocols and network applications. So various types of TCP/IP, UDP, TCP, and even if we are using some of the web applications like web security, the HTTPS, so where we are going to be use some of the network applications. So in order to transmission of a data, so how come we are going to be protected? How come we are going to be sent? For example, we are sending money from, we are taking money from bank to home, or we are deposit something money from home to bank. So while we are traveling, how much you are protecting you? So you are keeping that money in the bag. That bag you are going to be locked or something. You are going to be protect. Same way how we are going to be protect the data while it is transmitting. So then another one is about if we want to provide these security. So here we are going to be use a cryptographic algorithms. This is the study of technique for ensuring the security and authenticity of information. So authenticity is the one of the essential concept of security. What is authenticity? We will discuss upcoming. So what is the security goals? So security goals are providing confidentiality, integrity, data integrity, and availability. So security goals. So previous we saw this and the tried shape, that is the triangle shape. So these three are in three places, and in between we have a security. So that is computer security. So in order to provide a security goals, we need to concentration on confidentiality and data integrity, and another one is about availability. So what is this confidentiality? What is this confidentiality? Hiding information from unauthorized users. So we are hiding information for authorized users only. We are not going to be open to all. We are going to be hiding the information. So who can see that hidden information? Means those who are authenticated. So those who are authorized, they can only see. Information while exchanging should remain secret. While these information is exchanging also should remaining a secret. We are going to be keep it as a secret and we are going to be send exchange. That is transfer. Then another second one is about data integrity. So preventing information from unauthorized modification. Preventing information from unauthorized modification. So somebody who is enter into the network, so they are going to be modified. So we need to take care about these modifications. So if there any modification is going further, what we are, so for this only here we talk about the early chapters, what is the message digest and hashing. So these the things we discussed in the fourth unit and sixth unit chapters. Okay. Preventing information from unauthorized modification. Needs a technique ensure that the integration of data, integration of the, so preventing the modification, detect any modification is made. So one is, so that is, we are not giving a chance to modification. Another one, if any modification is done, immediately we need to notify that one. This is the modification is done. We need to change the network or we need to change the something, the way we need to change. Then another one is about availability. Should be easily available to authorized users. So if the data is there, the data is available to only the authorized users only. data must be available to authorized users. One is easily available to the user, and the data must be available. So, for example, if I am a proper username and password, if I log in and I enter, so definitely I need to know that I need to know the full information about that one. So that can be easily available to me, and that is can be data must be available all times when I am authorized to use. So that is availability, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Then another one is about cryptographic algorithms are used to achieve above goals. One is the OSI security architecture. Whenever we are going to be talk about the data is going to be created at the application layer, and it is going to be passed through the remaining 6 layers, OSI layers, and it is transferred to the another 7 layers of thing, and it is shown to the other end system. So for that we need talk about basic OSI security architecture. The OSI security architecture focuses on security attacks, mechanisms, and services. These can be identified briefly as security attacks, security mechanism. Any action that compromises the security of information is owned by an organization. So that is the security attacks. And the security mechanism is a process or a device incorporating such process that is designed to detect and prevent or a recovery from the security. So if something is going to be a form, so that we should first one we need to detect and we need to prevent another one. Next time it should not be used like that. And if anything loss of data is there, that should be recovered from. So that mechanisms we need to follow. So security attacks and the another one is about security services. Security services. A process of communication services that enhances the security of the data processing system and the information transfer of an organization. The services are intended to counter security attacks, and they make use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the services, a processing or communication services. So how to process and how we are going to be communicating one and other. So that is in between the transmission, what are the parties are going to be involved in the. So how they are going to be provided communication services. So these services are intended to counter security attacks, and they as use of one or more security mechanism to provide the services. Any two or more things are going to be covered. Then security attacks. Generic types of attacks. One is a passive attack, another one is active. A passive attack attempts to learn, make use of information from the system, but it does not affect on the system resources. An active attack attempts to alter the system resources or affect their operation. A passive attack attempts to learn or make use of information of the system. So passive attack means we are not going to be changing any system resources. An active attack means we are going to be changing system resources also. So that is the main intention of active and passive. So let me discuss each one clearly. So first one is about passive attack. What is a passive attack? So here we are not going to be change anything of the system resources. So that is passive attacks are the nature of ever dropping on or monitoring of transmission. So something we are going to be monitoring, something we are going to be drop differently. The goal of the opponent is obtain the information that is being transmitted when it is going to be transmitted. So that is when the on the way only it is going to be attacked. So two types of passive attacks are there: releasing the releasing of message content, and another one is about traffic analysis. So releasing of message. So the passive attack means what? We are not going to be touch about the system resources. When we are going to be transfer the data in the network itself is going to be attacked. So that there is a one is a releasing message content, and another one is a traffic analysis they are going to use. So as usual, we know that there is a two parties of Bobs and allies they are going to be. So in between that is going to be reading the content from the message. See the diagram you can easily understand. So internet are that is a network. So where we allies Bob is sending a message to allies. So the reading content of message from Bob to Alex. So the dot is going to be third party is going to be see that messages what is going to be happening is going to be attack in the network. So that is when the message is released is going to be. Then another one is about the traffic analysis. The second type of passive attack is traffic analysis. Is suppose that we had a way of masking the content of message or their information traffic so that the opponent even they have captured the message it could not be extend the information from the message. For example, see that so even he is going to be observe the traffic and observe the patterns of the messages. So previous one is simply read it the message. So how many, so how much of message is sending and what is the size of message, whatever it is, you don't know about the thing. So simply you can read one by one, simply seeing and reading. The second one, traffic analysis, you can observe the patterns of message. You can observe how we are going to be sent, so how much of message is sending. The common technique of for masking the content is encryption. We had an encryption protecting networks. An opponent might still be able to observe the patterns of these messages. The opponent could be determine the location and identity of communication host and could be observe the frequency of length and message as being exchanged. So the previous one, when the message is really simply seeing observing. For example, live stream. For example, live stream something is going to be we cannot stop. So for traffic analysis, we can see that the messages what how many messages is sent, what is the time of is sending, and the how much of length of message, and in which host is sending and which how they are communicating. Everything is going to be monitored. So passive attacks are very difficult to detect and they are not involving any alternation of data. So they are going to be simply observed, but it is not going to be do any modification. The modification is not going to be happening. Okay. Then another one is about active attack. Okay. Active attack. An active attack attempts to alter the system resources. The previous one we are not going to be changed anything. So what is the two types of passive attacks also is other. So first one is about when we observe the message content, simply reading. And the second one is we're going to be saying how much of how many messages are sending, what is the size of messages, and where it is going to be communicated, in which party it is going to be communicated, and what is the two parties. That everything he can know, but he cannot change anything. But he can observe the patterns almost. So here he can something is trying to attempt these operations. The active attacks are involves some modification of the data stream or the creation or false string. So active attacks are can be subdivided into four categories. First one is mask order, and the second one is a reply, and third one is a modification of message, and the fourth one is denial of service. So these four are so these four they are going to be changed. Something is changed going to be happen. So then this is the active attack. So can you define both things? So up to now we discussed. So something is going to be attacked, something is so passive attacks are still alive all times. When the active attacks is done, then the user can identify he is under attack. Yes, sir. So passive attacks means so everyone who was having a capacity of reading the data, they can read. So if the reading, so nothing is happened to us. So if anything is changing happen, that's only. So when you are in the network, your patterns, everything is going to be observed. Your messages, everything is read. Whenever is needed of that messages, that time is going to be attacked. So when we came to know that you are under attack, something is changed, something is uh, modified. So that only we can know that that is attack is happening. So, okay. So first one is about mask word. What is the mask word? A mask word takes place when one entity patents pretends to be different entry. A mask worded attacks is usually my voice is clear, audible, something network issue. Hello,
Yes, sir.
it's okay.
Yes, sir.
I am getting some error. I will open again. Once again. Okay. So now we will see the figure and we will come back. What is this definition? It takes place in one entry. A mask-worded attack usually includes the form of an active attack. See that what is going to be happen. So that internet connection between we have Alice and Bob. Bob is sending message to Alice actually. Bob is trying to send a message to Alice. But what is going to be happen in between? Darth is going to be enter into the network and he is going to be trying to change it. So now what the allies is think that what allies is think that so allies is think that the message is coming from the bar. The message is coming. For example, so here the authentication sequence can be captured and replied after a valid authentication sequence has been taken place, thus enabling an authorized entry with a few privileges to obtain the extra privileges by impersonating entry of these privileges. So what we can conclude that means now the allies is think that okay the original message is coming from the Bob only. Okay, the message is coming from Bob only. So that is the meaning of this one. Okay, so even that the message is coming from the dot, but the allies only thinks that the message is sending by the Bob. So then another one is about reply. So reply involves the passive capture of a data unit and its subsequent transmission to produce an unauthorized effect, transferring in between. So reply is involved. So for example, how it will be. No? So previous one, the total entire message is read and is changing. The message from the dot appears to be from the bar. So see whether it is visible or not. I don't know. So now it is see that message from the dot from that appears to be from the bar. So even that is the allies think that the message coming from the Bob. So here what is going to be happen? The captured message from the Bob to allies, and later it is reply message to allies. So something, for example, okay, now Bob is sended hi, so allies is sended hi back. So now something is sended, Bob is sended something. So for example, maybe something he is going to be transferred. So otherwise, what is going to be thinking? He is going to be waiting for the reply. What is going? But maybe Bob is not going to be reply. What is going to be happen? In between the dot is going to be reply to the allies messages. So that is a, invalid reply. Unauthorized effect is going to be happen. Okay. So see that. Then another one is about modification. Modification of message simply means that some partition portion, some particular place and some portion of a legislative messages is altered, that message is delayed or recorded to provide to produce an unauthorized effect in a figure C. So now we will go to figure C and we will see that what is. Okay. See that what is going to be happen. So in between we have a connection from in the previous one reply message. So Alice and Bobs are sending hi and bye. Something is going to be in between. Some messages is going to be replied from the dot. So what is going to be? He's think that, so okay, this message is also coming from the Bob only. So that is, so here dot modify the message from the Bobs to Alice. Here the modification is going to be happen. The first one is going to be simply, what is the first one? See that? Please note down the differences between. So the first one is Masquerades is simply is total message, whatever the Bob messages is reading and is going to be send it out. That the message is going to be blocked and the dot is going to be sent to the allies. Now what allies think that the message is coming from the dot. But here in a reply, so okay, we have some of okay, some technique we were used. Okay, we connection is established in the allies and Bobs. That is the connection established means either is here the network is there. No, this network is established. So now the attacker is going to be attacked. So simply that transmissions is going to be between Bob and allies. Some of the messages is going to be replied from the dot. So that time what allies is think that, so everything is going to be getting from the Bob only. So that is the meaning. So then another one is modification means, so direct, we don't have any connection in between. Direct messages Bob is sending to dot and dot is sending to Alex. The dot modifies the message from the Bob to Alex. Direct modification is going to be happened there. Okay, so that is the thing about that. Then another one is about denial of services. DOS is a very important one, and it may ask in 2 marks also. So please note down clearly what is it. So denial of service prevents or habits are normal use of management of communication facilitated communication facility. These attacks may be specified at a targets only, specific targets. So see that. So maybe a servers. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జనరల్గా ఇప్పుడు మనం బ్యాంక్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేసాము, లేదు బ్యాంక్లో మనం మనీ డిపాజిట్ చేసాం, ఏమవుతుంది? సో సార్ నాకు మెసేజ్ ఇంకా రాలేదని మీరు జనరల్గా అడుగుతారు. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సర్వర్ స్లోగా ఉందయ్యా, సంథింగ్ ఏదన్నా ప్రాబ్లంగా ఉంది, సర్వర్ దగ్గర పవర్ లేదు, ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్తుంటారు కదా, లేదా మా కంప్యూటర్ ప్రాబ్లంగా ఉంది, అండ్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి. సో దట్ ఈస్ సో దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ట్రైయింగ్ టు అటాక్ ఆన్ ది సర్వర్స్. So for example, how it will be, the server may be a bank server or library server or something, internet server, whatever it may be. Some servers they are going to be. That is dispute the service provided by the server. So for example, we are going to be get the service from the Jio. So some persons are going to be attack on the which service. For example, we have some router or there, some services are there, they are going to be attack on particular others. So that is the things is going to be happen in Daniel websites. For example, the entity may suppress all the messages directed to a particular destination. Example, security, adult services. So another from the NL of service is a description of an entire network, either by disabling the network by or reloading the information message at a degrade performance. So see, I think you may saw some movies also. They will say they are going to be block the entire. This is a traffic network. So the persons who is going to be see the other side, they will be okay. This is going to be modified by the a particular other the government persons only. They are going to be changed they are going to be modified. So somebody is going to be changed according to their purpose. So you can see some of the robbery movies are there. They're going to be taken about their network control. So that is traffic control. They are going to be taken about, and they are going to be do some modification. That is the dynamic. The service itself is going to be a problem. Okay. So then another one is about security services. So this one is attacks. We talk about the two types of attacks. Okay. What are the two types of attack? Active and passive attack. So first one is about passive attacks. Another one is about active attack. In passive attacks, we have two types, and active attacks, we have four types of there. In both of them, we need to remember that one. In passive attacks means we are not going to be change any data, any resources, any system resources are not going to be changed, any modification. Just we are going to be view the message, and they can see the patterns of the things. So that is the first two types of passive attack means. Count that is the reply. Whenever the message enters into the network, they simply read the message. They can simply read the message. Then another one is about they are going to be traffic analysis. They can see the patterns and from which host to which host is going to be sent, and how much of data is going to be sent, what is the length of the data, and how much of data is going to be. So they simply observe the network and see that thing. Then in the active attack is going to be modification. Something is going to be modification happen. So that what type of modifications? So first one is about mask orders. The second one is about reply, and third one is about what is the third one? Can anyone say that? Third one. Fourth one is about now we are seeing what is the denial of service. What is the third one? Anyone? You remember? You can tell. What is the third one? What is the third one? Message modification. That is the even that is the entire meaning of these active attacks. So what is in the first case we are going to be see about the message is going to be directly sent by the third party, and the receiver has to know that the message is coming from the Bob only. Five 570. Okay. The first one, that one, and the second one is that is a mask order. Only one entry, one thing only. The second one is about how come we are going to be see is there any modification other that means. So generally we are going to be take the reply means normal communication is going to be happen in between the allies and bar. So some message is going to be replied by the DAR, that is the third person is going to be replying. So that is the name itself is mentioned that the reply. Reply is going to be happening with some third. And the third one is about what is the third one? Modification of message. So something is going to be sent hi, is going to be something is modification is going to be so directly. So Bob is sending. So actually the network is placed about Alice and Bob, but the Bob is sending a message to Dart. The Dart is modifying or something is changing, and he is sending whatever he want, he is going to be sent to others. Then another one is about denial of services. This service is going to be block the whole network, the whole place. Or for example, you can talk about, for example, our college content only one BSNL network is there, is going to be provided. So that is one block. For example, we can take our Eluru traffic signal. So for example, we have Eluru traffic, we have one server. So that the server is going to be, so total entire thing is going to be blocked. So these are the active and passive attacks is going to be happen. So we will see afternoon by these security mechanisms. So still anyone having doubt, you can ask me. Anyone having doubt, you can ask me. With me, we will close this.